Niagara Falls State Park is a 400-acre park that offers breathtaking views and attractions with a landscape designed by Frederick Law Olmsted. With two main features, one is the iconic boat tour, that's the Meadow of the Mist, and the other one, the Cave of the Winds. The guests descend into the Niagara Gorge for a powerful up-close encounter with the crashing water from the Bridal View Falls, getting soaked at the hurricane deck. Niagara Falls, New York is a home to three waterfalls, the American Falls, Bridal View Falls, and the larger Horseshoe Falls, which is mostly on the Canadian side, all located within the Niagara Falls State Park, America's oldest state park. Buffalo Niagara International Airport is just about 30 miles away, and you can also take your own car. No passport is required for that for the US side. Nikola Tesla designed the first hydroelectric power plant at Niagara Falls, New York, which started producing electrical power in 1895. This was the beginning of the electrification of the United States and the rest of the world. So this Niagara Falls is providing currently 6.5 gallons of water to the entire New York state and some parts of the Canadian portion. How to plan a budget tour for visiting this world famous attraction, the Niagara Falls. Just opposite to the parking lot 3 on the side of the Niagara Falls, you will be getting this parking station from where you will be getting the trolley facility. Charges are $3 per person for adults. So buy a ticket from here, and the trolley is open from morning 10 a.m. to the evening 7:45 p.m. The trolley will drop you at this station. The first spot is Three Sisters Islands. Three small connected bridges allow visitors to walk across the channels between the islands, offering various vantage points of the rushing water. The Three Sisters Islands are a trio of small islands in the Niagara River near Niagara Falls, New York, known for their close-up views of the river's powerful rapids and natural beauty. Connected by scenic bridges, they are a popular spot within the Niagara Falls State Park, offering a peaceful yet thrilling experience with the roaring water, a place of deep spiritual meaning for indigenous peoples. The exact location of the Three Sisters Islands is on the southern side of the Goat Island within Niagara Falls State Park.
থ্রি সিস্টার্স আইল্যান্ড স্পটটা ওদের অবশ্যই ভিজিট করতে হবে, তাহলে বোঝা যাবে যে দলটা কোথা থেকে আসছে, কত দূর যাচ্ছে, আর কোর্সটা ওখানে গিয়ে কীভাবে করছে। নাহলে খানিকটা ইনকমপ্লিট থেকে যাবে ট্যুরের। বেশ ভালো লাগবে জায়গাটা।
The Goat Island is a picturesque island in the Niagara River. Terrapin Point in Niagara Falls, New York is a popular free observation area on the Goat Island, offering the closest, most up-close views of the Canadian Horseshoe Falls on the American side of the Boldt. Visitors can experience the powerful mist and spray of the falls and enjoy unique photo opportunities. History says the area was once known as Terrapin Rocks, a separate group of large boulders on the brink of the falls that resembled tortoises. In the 1950s, some of these rocks were filled to create a more stable viewing platform and to spread the flow of the falls more evenly. The Rainbow Bridge in Niagara Falls, New York is a steel arch bridge that serves as a pedestrian, vehicle and bicycle crossing for the international border between the United States and Canada, operating 24/7 with a fee collected when traveling to Canada and a valid passport while entering to Canada.
বোট সকাল 9টা, লাস্ট বোট 5টা। কালকে লং উইকেন্ড বলে একটু এক্সটেন্ড করেছিল। ডিপারচার্স এভরি 15 মিনিটস। টিকিট বুথ হচ্ছে 4:45 বন্ধ হয়ে যায়। টিকিট প্রাইস অ্যাডাল্টের জন্য 28.25 মানে $29 পার পারসন হবে, আর চাইল্ডের জন্য 6 to 12 years নিয়ার অ্যাবাউট $18। অবজারভেশনের ডেকের এখান থেকে দেখতে পাচ্ছি
Elevators for moving downstairs towards the riverbed. Made of the Mist refer to two things: an iconic boat tour at Niagara Falls that takes passengers to the base of the American and Horseshoe Falls, or the legend of Leila Wala, a young woman who, after being saved by the thunder god Henu, lived behind the falls. The boat tour is named after this indigenous folklore.
And are named after two important people. Inaugurated this boat.
The Crow's Nest in Niagara Falls is a set of stairs located alongside the American Falls that provides visitors with views partway up the side of the waterfall. The attraction is currently part of a significant redevelopment project, including the construction of new viewing platforms and stairs, which is expected to be completed by the summer of 2026. The Crow's Nest offers unique views of the American Falls before you have to go back down into the gorge.
গ্রেট লেকস অ্যাকুয়ারিয়াম। আমরা এখন টিকিট কাউন্টারের দিকে যাচ্ছি।
The top of the falls is
Luna Island is located along the north side of Court Island at the edge of the Niagara Gorge. Luna Island separates the American Falls and the Bridal Veil Falls. Originally called Prospect Island, it was renamed Luna Island because in the 1800s, famous lunar rainbows were seen over it on bright moonlit nights. Bridal Veil Falls is one of the three waterfalls that make up Niagara Falls, located on the American side and named for its thin bead-like appearance. It is the smallest of the falls and can be experienced up close via the Cave of the Winds tour, which takes visitors to the base of the waterfall via an elevator. You need to ride an elevator 175 deep into the gorge, then walk on the wooden decks and platforms to the Hurricane Deck, which is closer to the base of the Bridal Veil Falls. Cave of the Winds refers to a natural cave in Niagara Falls, New York, that is now the site of a popular tourist experience where you descend into the gorge and get soaked by Bridal Veil Falls. Old Fort Niagara is a historic site that offers a stunning combination of original 18th century buildings and fortifications enlivened by dynamic living history programs.